If you have a WooCommerce B2b store or planning to make one, you know how difficult it can be to manage so many plugins. But what if I told you there's this one plugin that can do it all? Getting an individual plugin for wholesale pricing, bulk order, tiered pricing, dynamic pricing, and so on can get really messy. Introducing WholesaleX, the simplest solution to create B2B and B2B plus B2C hybrid store in WooCommerce. Yes, you heard me right. WholesaleX is the most efficient and effective way to start wholesaling in WooCommerce without breaking your bank. Do you know how much it would cost you to get individual plugin for something like tiered pricing, wholesale pricing, dynamic discount, and so on? You'd have to pay something like $720, and you would have to pay that every year. But with WholesaleX, you can get all of these functionalities and more for only $90. Yes, you heard that right. This is an incredible deal. So get WholesaleX today before the prices go up again.